Yeah. So, good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. So, can you check the audio video one time? Can you verify audio video one time? Yeah, clear. So, thank you, KB. KB, thank you so much for informing me. Yeah, those people who are preparing for GATE examination. If you have any doubt, if you are facing in your preparation any doubt, please post in the comment section. I will help you. I will help you. That is the reason I came. The basic purpose is that is the reason. If anyone asks any doubt, I want to help you. So if you have any doubt, please comment in the right. Please comment in the comment section. I will definitely help you. Right. So before that, let me solve this problem. Let me solve this problem. Yeah, those people who want to write the GATE 2023, to them these classes are really useful to you. If you are writing GATE 2023 exam, right, these practice questions will be really useful, right? It is a GATE PYQ. In one of the previous paper, this question is given. Can you read it? Consider the three arcs of a BFS traversal from a source node W in an unweighted, connected, undirected graph. There is an unweighted, connected, undirected graph. So they applied the BFS. Okay, fine. So the tree T formed by the tree arcs is a data structure for computing. So indirectly they're asking on the unweighted graph, unweighted undirected graph, if I apply BFT, what is the advantage? Simply it is one of the BFT application. He is asking one of the BFT application. Can you see that? Consider the tree arcs of a BFS traversal from a source node W in an unweighted, connected, undirected graph. The tree T formed by the tree arcs is a data structure for computing. So can you verify? So option A, the shortest path between every pair of vertices. Option B, the shortest path from W to every vertex. Can you see that? Right, source node, from a source node W in an unweighted graph. So the shortest path from W to every vertex in the graph. The shortest path from W to only those nodes that are leaves of T. The longest path in the graph. Can you guess what may be the answer? If anyone knows, please give the answer for this also. If you know the answer, please give the answer also. If anyone knows answer, please give the answer also. Yeah, for this problem, everyone know answer for this one answer for this problem is BFT one of the application. BFT one of the application is right. So single source shortest path. What is the meaning? From source to every other vertex, finding the shortest path. From the right, the shortest path from W to every vertex in the given graph. In the given right unweighted graph. To be frank, in the given unweighted graph. In the given unweighted graph, the shortest path from W to every vertex in the given unweighted graph. That is the purpose of this. The shortest path from W to every vertex in the given unweighted graph. If weighted graph, it don't work out. Weighted graph, all edge weights are positive, then Dijkstra's. Weighted graph, some negatives are there, right? Bellman fold. No weight at all, unweighted BFT. So remember, single source shortest path, we have three algorithms. Single source shortest path, we have three algorithms. Weighted graph, positive edges, all positive, right? I think Dijkstra's algorithm. Weighted graph, some negatives are there, Bellman fold. Right? So unweighted graph, no edge weight at all. Unweighted graph, no edge weight at all. Then answer is going to be BFT. And one more. Weighted graph, all edge weights are positive, all are same. Weighted graph, all edge weights are positive. Weighted graph, all edge weights are positive and same also. Then also BFT. So when you say same, when you say edge weights are same, edge weight is there or not there, how it matters? Edge weights are there, but all are same. Then how it matter? Which is nothing but unweighted only. So I said very clearly, when the BFT will be used, single source shortest path in the unweighted graph. Unweighted graph. One more, single source shortest path in the weighted graph where all edge weights are positive and equal. So next one, if it are positive edge weights, all are different. Positive edge weights all different. Then you can go for Dijkstra's, right? At least one negative Bellman fold, right? No edge weight at all, or all edge weights are same. Then go for the BFT. So answer for this problem is B. Answer for this problem is B. Everyone know answer for this problem is B. Three arcs means, I think so after doing BFT, after doing the BFT, you will get the BFT tree. In the tree, whatever edges are there, those are called, right, BFT tree arcs. Right? Tree arcs means tree edges. If you draw the BFT tree, in the BFT tree, whatever edges are there, those are called as BFT tree arcs. Edge means arc. Sir, how are you? My other account is blocked by YouTube, so I cannot comment from there. Oh, fine. Yeah, fine. I am fine, Sony. Thank you so much. Me blocked. No man, no Ratul. Maybe someone else, maybe I don't know. But I will say to the administrator. Maybe unknowingly happened. So the meaning of tree acts. I hope I clarified it. Oh, Varun. Okay, fine. Sir, I want to start my preparation now for 2023. How many subjects should I target? How much hours should I study? Please help. KB, my suggestion is 3 months are there. I think the maximum thing what you can do is you cannot prepare any subject, you cannot do anything, right? So just prepare only PYQs. KB, this is my suggestion. Just prepare only right? Only PYQs. Take the PYQ, find the answer, and see how it is going on. See the explanation, get it. That's the only way. Otherwise, if you study also, maximum you can study 5 subjects. Please start that PYQ preparation directly. Take the problem and try for answer. Yeah, I think Siddharth, go for RIC. Siddharth, go for RIC. Siddharth, go for RIC. Right? So old RIC also, new RIC also you can go. So I think KB, my suggestion is please practice PYQs. Still, if you want to practice few subjects, right? Please target algorithm, data structure. Compiler design, right? POC, and one more thing is the discrete mathematics. If possible, basic mathematics. Algorithm, data structure, programming, compiler design, theory of computation, discrete mathematics, if possible, basic mathematics. You study, you will get the maximum marks. Yeah, Varun, my suggestion is, can you try RIC first? Varun, my suggestion is, can you try RIC first? Class notes plus RIC. Varun, class notes plus RIC. Can you try that? Class notes plus RIC. right? Class notes plus RIC you do, almost you are okay. Then go for PYQs. Don't go for PYQs directly. Class notes plus RIC, then go to PYQs. Check if anyone having any doubt. Right? And one more thing. See, one more thing. See this one. Those people who are preparing for GATE 2023, those people who are preparing for GATE 2023, if you are preparing for GATE 2023, right, you can try. If you don't have Unacademy subscription, if you don't have Unacademy Plus subscription or Iconic subscription, 7 days trial period is going on. Today is the last date. Right? You can utilize 7-day trial period. The day where you start started the trial period, from that day, 7 days you can use freely. If you are an Unacademy student, right? If you have already Plus subscription, well and good. If you don't have, please utilize this option. 7-day trial period. Simply what you do is scan this QR code. It will ask the register and choose your goal. Next one, activate code. Use the referral code ReddySir. Use the referral code ReddySir, so you can watch the videos. If you are preparing for GATE 2023, right? Take the 7 days trial period, right? Rank improvement course there, you can watch them. Question and answer. Nice video explanations are there. Or any topic if you don't know, right? Happily lectures also available, you can utilize. 7 days trial period you can utilize. Today is the last date. 18th October is the last date. Please utilize this option. And one more, if you want to take subscription, you can take test series. Those people who want to write the Unacademy test series, it is an excellent one, right? All the toppers are made, all the top educators are made these questions. These questions are made by the top educators. See, test series plus question bank. Next one, self-study videos in English and Hindi also, right? So this offer is there, you can utilize. Use the referral code ReddySir to get the discount. Next one. So EMI option also there, you can utilize. Next one. One more thing is, see this one. So recently, Unacademy and GATE Academy comeback is happened in that 65,000 people are enrolled. Unacademy, GATE Academy, right? Combat 65,000 learners are enrolled. Top rankers are already joined in our batches. Seats are filling up. Benefit from the India's top educators. You can join. All the toppers are joined. 65,000 learners are already enrolled. All the top rankers are joined. Seats are filling up. Benefit, right? Get the benefit from top educators. If your target is 2023, if at all your target, without wasting time, join Unacademy. Utilize the platform your level best. If your target is 2023, join Unacademy. Utilize Unacademy platform your level best. In the last 3 or 4 months, Unacademy platform is really useful because there are rank improvement courses are there. Crash course also available. There are so many practice classes also there. Really, you will get lot of advantage. If your goal is 2023, for the last 4 months preparation purpose, join Unacademy as soon as possible. Today itself you join. And one more, if your goal is 2024, my suggestion is join today. Join today only, don't delay. If your goal is 2024 GATE exam, join today only. If anyone plan is 2024 GATE exam, join today without delaying. If 2023, last 4 months to do efficient practice, to do right, practice classes or training classes, crash course, right? Best idea is joining today, utilize the Unacademy platform, your level best. Next one, Brahmastra batch also started, please utilize it. Gurukul batch also started. In that batch I am teaching algorithm, data structure, programming, compiler design, theory of computation, computer network, discrete mathematics, and digital. These are the subjects which I am teaching in that batch. Right? So all the subjects, recording also there, live also going to be happened. Utilize it. For the remaining subjects, so many good teachers are there. Use the referral code ReddySir. To get the instant discount. Yeah, next one. If your goal is 2024, join today only. It's the best idea. Join today only. If you delay more, right? If you delay more, less chances of getting the good GATE rank. If you join immediately, more probability of getting good rank. If your goal is 2024 GATE examination, join today only. And one more, if your goal is 2023, my suggestion is, right, I don't know how much syllabus is completed. If your goal is 2023 GATE examination, suppose that every day 12 hours you are preparing, 6 hours prepare, 6 hours practice, 6 hours if any subject is not completed, right, complete it. This is for 6 hours for completing syllabus, right? 6 hours for practice. Those people who want to write the GATE 2023, my suggestion is, if you want to dedicate 12 hours per day, 6 hours for practice, 6 hours for completing syllabus, please start practicing questions. If anyone is not started practicing questions, please start practicing questions. And one more, last 4 months preparation is very valuable. I am saying to you. Please join today only in Unacademy. Utilize the Unacademy platform, your level best. So if you join Iconic, so many advantages. 2024 people, you can join Iconic because you will get all the facilities of Unacademy. 2024 people, join today only. Right? Join in the Iconic, you will get all the facilities. Every facility, whatever Unacademy providing, you will get it. Right. Let's go to next problem. This is the next problem. Can you try? What will be the answer for this? Siddharth, study every subject, Siddharth. Yeah, I think KB, that is the reason I given the advice to you. Algo data structure programming, compiler design, theory of computation, computer network, right? If you feel difficult, you can leave it, right? Discrete mathematics and basic mathematics. And the aptitude, if possible, you study this. I'm repeating once again. Algo DS programming, compiler design, theory of computation, discrete mathematics and basic mathematics and aptitude. If possible, you do. You will get the minimum 50 marks. Yeah, Anant. Right? You can go for whatever way you want. Unacademy having that facility, you can go whatever way you want. Right? Unacademy having that facility, you can go whatever you want, but complete the syllabus. Because of you are already joined, complete the syllabus before March. Yeah, Nishank, it will come by practice. Right, Nishank, it will come by practice. It cannot come at a time. Nishank. It will come by practice. Every time start using common sense. With common sense, most of the problems we can resolve. Most of the problems. Thank you, Varun. Thank you so much. Use ReddySir code for a discount. Thank you so much. Yeah, can you help me? What will be the answer of this problem? Check once what will be the answer. Unsigned long int fun. Right? One function is given inside if you observe. One function is given inside if you observe. Right? So int I, j is equal to 0, sum is equal to 0. Right? I is equal to n, I greater than 1, I is equal to I by 2. Whenever I is, right, whenever I is dividing, always I dividing by 2. Whenever I is dividing, always by 2, by 2, by 2, j value incremented. J value incremented. Right? So, right, every I value, every I iteration, j will increment by 1. Every I iteration, j value will increment by 1. And one more important thing is, these are not inner loops. Remember, these are not inner loops. No bracket there. These are not inner loop, they are separate. These are not inner loops, they are separate. They are separate. Can you help you now? Can you help you now? Initially, right? Initially, what is saying? The value return when we call function with the input 2 power 40. I think n is 2 power 40. N is 2 power 40. If n is 2 power 40, I is equal to 2 power 40, always by 2 by 2. Can you help you now? 2 power 40, if you always divide by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2, right? If you always divide by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 like that. So I think this 2 power 40, right? 2 power, every time by 2, you are doing j plus plus, by 2 j plus plus, by 2 j plus plus. Like that you are doing. I think j value becomes, right, 40. J value becomes 40. If you want, you can verify. Because if you divide n always by 2, right, loop will repeat log n time. If you divide always 2 power 40 by 2, log of 2 power 40, this is log of 2 power 40 base 2, which is becomes 40. Log of 2 power 40 base 2, which will become 40. So I think at the end of the I loop, j value becomes 40. If n is there, always divide by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2, loop will repeat log n time. 2 power 40 there, always by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2, loop will repeat 40 times. So j value 40. Now what's the second loop? If you observe, j value 40, 40 greater than 1, j is equal to j by 2. So please be careful. Please be careful this one, because here 4 there, 5 there, 6 there, everything is there. So you should do properly. You should do properly. Let me check here. 40. What is asking? Return sum, right? Is asking the value return sum. I think last sum value required. Sum is initially 0. Let's check here. Let's check here. So j value 40. 40 greater than 1? Yes. Yes. I think sum value becomes 1. Next one. I think 40 by 2. What is the answer? 20. Right? 20 greater than 1. Condition is true. Right? I think sum value 2. Next one. 10. 10 greater than 1. Condition true. Then what is the answer? 3. 3. Next one. 5 greater than 1. Condition is true. 4. Next one. Next one. 5 also over. I think it is an unsigned integer. Unsigned long int. Unsigned long int. Int only. Can you help me now? 5 by 2. 2.5. So 2. 2 greater than 1. Condition true. 5. Lastly, 1. 1 greater than 1. Fail. Stop it. I think, right, this loop will repeat 5 times. Right? Answer is 5. See, 4 also there, 5 also there, 6 also there. If you do small mistake, mistake will happen. If you do small mistake, mistake will happen. Yeah, I think KB, if you can do that, do. KB, if you can do that, do. Possibility there, do. Yeah, every subject, important topics you study. Every topic, important topics you study. If you can do that also, okay. If you can do that, that is also okay. If you can do that, that is also okay. Durgesh, hi sir, how are you? I am fine, Durgesh. I hope you too. I hope you too. I am fine, Durgesh. I hope you too. Yeah, so I think KB I am giving few options to you. One option is every subject, right? Every subject, please go take the important topics you study. That is the one way. One more way, right? Whatever I said, few subjects I said, you please try. You will get the 50 plus marks. That is the one more way, right? One more way. Whatever you want, you can do. But one thing, please make sure you will study, right? You will complete the PYQs. Whatever you study, please complete PYQs. My test series is going on. Yeah, all the best, Durgesh. Durgesh, all the best. All the best, Durgesh. I am loving to see the innocent person you are here. Thank you, Varun. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Even though your name is different, I can easily say you are Varun. Even though your name is different here, even if you don't say also, I can say what is your name. Your name is Varun. Your name is Varun. Guarantee I can say that. Now can you go to the next one? Can you see this? Consider the hashing table with m slots and n keys. If the expected number of probes in an unsuccessful search is 3, the expected number of probes in a successful search is. Can you try this? Arey man, if you don't say also, guarantee I will find you. If you don't say also, guarantee I will find you. If you don't say also, guarantee I will find you. Trust me. Can you help me? What is the answer of this? Consider the hashing table with m slots and n keys. If the expected number of probes in an unsuccessful search is 3, the expected number of probes in a successful search is. The expected number of probes in a successful search is. If the expected number of probes in an unsuccessful search is 3, right? Let me try this one. There is one formula. The expected number of probes in an unsuccessful search is, right, 1 by 1 minus alpha, where alpha is equal to, right, where alpha is equal to, see this one, where alpha is equal to, right, n by m. See this one, m slots, n keys. In one slot how many, right, n by m, where alpha is n by m. Please careful. So 1 by 1 minus alpha is, right, he is saying that this is the formula. The expected number of probes in an unsuccessful search is 3, means this is 3. This is 3. The expected number of probes in successful search is. So can you help me now? From this can you find out? From this can you find out alpha value? From this can you find out alpha value? So I think 1 by 1 minus alpha is 3. So what is the answer? This can be written as 1 by 3 is equal to 1 minus alpha. Right? This alpha is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3. Which will goes to 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. Alpha is 2 by 3. Alpha is 2 by 3. So there is a one more. Right? Successful search is asking the expected number of probes in the successful search. 1 by alpha ln 1 by 1 minus alpha. This is the formula. So this 2 by 3 becomes, right, 3 by 2. This will become 3 by 2. This will become 3 by 2. ln 1 by 1 minus alpha is 3. Base E, right? This is the value. 3 by 2 means 1.5. ln, right? 3. ln means base E there. You calculate, you will get the answer. You calculate, you will get the answer. You calculate, you will get the answer. Just to find out alpha value, right? In the another formula, you substitute. What is the another formula? Right? Unsuccessful search is, this is the formula. It is there in your notes also. Unsuccessful search is this one. Successful search is this one. 1 by alpha ln 1 by 1 minus alpha. 1 minus alpha is 3. 1 by, right, alpha is going to be 2 by 3. 1 by alpha is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is 1.5. 1.5 ln 3 base e, right? Do in the calculator, base e value, right? Log n 3 base e 1.5. You calculate, you will get the answer. Yeah, that is the meaning of revision required. Revise, start revising. Yeah, alpha is load factor. Start revising. The expected number of probes in successful search. This is the formula. 1 by alpha ln 1 by 1 minus alpha. Whenever you say ln, base e will come. Base e. Just substitute. Find out the alpha value, substitute there. Find out alpha value, substitute there. Can you go to the next problem? Can you say what is the answer of this? An n by n array V is defined as follows. V of ij is equal to I minus j for all, right, I comma j, right, where I lies between 1 to n, j also lies between 1 to n, right? So let me say this one. For all I and j, for all and I and j, right? So 1 less than or equal to I comma j less than or equal to n. So I range is, minimum is, I and j minimum range is 1, maximum is n for all n. For all I and j. This is the I range. I minimum is 1, maximum is n. J also minimum is 1, maximum also n. The sum of the elements of the array is Vij is equal to I minus j. Vij is equal to I minus j. Can you help me now? 2, 5. 2, 5. What is the answer? Right? V of 2, 5 is equal to 2 minus 5, which is going to be minus 3. So whenever he is saying for all I, right? So I think 5 comma 2 also will come, which will become 5 minus 2, which will become 3. Remember, minus 3 also possible, plus 3 also possible. Minus 3 also possible, plus 3 also possible. All will be cancelled. I think answer is A. All will be cancelled. So answer is A. The sum of the elements of the array V is, that's what I said to you. Most of the problems you can solve with common sense. That's what I said to you. Most of the problem in GATE examination you can solve by common sense. That's what I said. Right? So for all I and j, if you take I value 2, j value 5, 2 comma 5. So 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Right? When you say for all I and j, 2, 5 there means 5, 2 also there. Right? 5 minus 2 is 3, plus 3 there, minus 3 there. All are cancelled, you will get 0. Yeah, I think Deepak, I think they are more than enough. Just practice. With respect to company, you have to practice now. With respect to company, first complete the notes. Afterwards, with respect to company, you just Google it out. You will find out few questions, right? Accordingly, how to prepare. Right? Just Google it out. Which company you are preparing? Assume that about X company you are preparing. Google it out. You will find out. Few things in the Google. In the YouTube you can find out. In the Google also you will find out. Please check. Sir, do any PSC recruits for CSC on the basis of GATE exam? Yes. Get the good GATE rank. Many advantages. Get the good GATE rank, many advantages. Now go to the next one. Can you see what is the answer of this problem? Let G be a connected undirected weighted graph. Consider the following two statements. Let G be a connected undirected weighted graph. Consider the following two statements. S1 is there exists a minimum weightage in G which is present in every minimum spanning tree of G. Let G be a connected, undirected weighted graph. Consider the following two statements. There exists a minimum weightage. And one more, is not mentioned distinct also. Please see the problem. Is not mentioned distinct also. There exists a minimum weightage in G which is present. There exists a minimum weightage in G which is present in every minimum spanning tree of G. Because of no distinct is there, will you give guarantee? I don't think so. Next one, S2. If every edge in G has a distinct weight, then G has a unique minimum spanning tree. I think S2 true, S1 need not be true. S1 need not be true, S2 is true. So S1 false, S2 is true. I think answer is C. If anyone say, right, S1 also true, you only say. Let me repeat once again. Let me repeat once again. There exists a minimum weight. There exists a minimum weight edge. There exists a minimum weight edge in G which is present in every minimum spanning tree in G. No, I don't think so. Answer is false. So S1 is false, S2 is true. So if you want, you can verify this. If you want, you can verify this one. See, A, B, C, D. If you want, you can verify this. A, B, C, D. If you want, you can verify this. A, B, C, D. It is 10. It is also 10. It is also 10. It is 20. It is 30. It is 40. It is 40. Right? So I think see, 4 people. I have to take 3 edges. See this one. I have to take 3 edges. See this one. I think first minimum, second minimum, third minimum. See, cycle is coming. So I have to eliminate 110. Whether you eliminate this one or this one, you decide yourself. I cannot take all minimums. Right? If I delete this minimum, 1 MST I will get. Right? One more thing. Right? One more thing. If you eliminate this one more MST. Right? I think you want 20. So I think sorry for this. It is the 20. Next one. One more thing. This is 20. And one more thing. Eliminate this. This is 20. So what I want to say is you cannot say there exists a minimum weightage in G which is present in every, you only say which 10 is present everywhere. See, here this 10 present. Here this 10 present. Here this 10 present. You only say right, in which MST some 10 is available everywhere. No, that this is the counter example for that. There exists a minimum weight. Because of distinct not there, you cannot give guarantee. Right? S1 no guarantee, S2 guarantee. Answer is C. Hi Vandita, how are you? It's nice to see you after a long time. Sir, if I don't get sufficient rank for get into IIT, can I try one more year because I am 2021 passed out student. I don't prepared for GATE in my entire BTech life. Arey Pranav, don't think that. Don't think, please my suggestion. Don't think those. It is the correct time to keep your best efforts. After exam is over, we'll decide. Don't think those things now. This is the correct time to keep your 12 hours. This is the correct time to dedicate every minute. This is the correct time to dedicate every minute. Every minute, this is the correct time to dedicate. My suggestion is don't think negatively. Until last minute, please try. After exam is over, if anything required, we will see. Sir, can you please tell right months for tests? Like which months, right? Subject wise tests. When full, right? I think now you can start. Now you can start subject wise. Now you can start subject wise, topic wise. Now you can start subject wise and topic wise. You can start now subject wise and topic wise, right? Maybe in the next month you can try, right? First, whatever is possible, you try now. Now this is the correct time to do subject wise and topic wise. This month you can do. Next month also. I think December, January full length you can write. December, January full length you can write. This month, next month you can practice topic wise, subject wise. Someone is saying, can you explain once again? S1 is false, S2 is true. Because of edge weights are repeating in the S1, I cannot give guarantee, right? One minimum will be there everywhere. Because of cycle, there may be a chance of elimination. I give an example also. Please see those examples one time. This is the graph. This is the graph. In this graph, 3 tens are there. I cannot take all tens. I can take only 2 tens. Which 10? Maybe I think maybe first two tens, first 2 tens, second 2 tens, third 2 tens. So no 10 is common here. Check. In all the 3 diagrams are there. It is the one diagram, it is the second diagram, it is the third diagram. No minimum edge weight is common. No minimum edge weight common. If you want, I will give vertices also. It is the A, B, C, D. It is the A, B, C, D. It is also A, B, C, D. See, no minimum edge weight is common. Verify. Vandita, what are you doing now? Vandita, what are you doing now? Can you see this? What is the answer of this? Please try what is the answer. Consider the following graph. Modified DFS on G applied as follows. Starting vertex is A. Vertices are visited on alphabetical order. Vertices are visited on alphabetical order. Which of the following are back edges during the above DFS traversal on G? So by following the rules, can you draw the DFS tree first? Follow the rules. DFS tree you write first. Afterwards we will see which are back edges. Which of the following are back edges during above DFS traversal on G? Which of the following are back edges during above DFS traversal on G? Pranav, no Pranav. Whatever you completed, whatever subjects you completed, half time for preparation, half time for practice, half time for new subjects. Completed subjects purpose half time, not completed subject purpose half time. Vandita, take serious, Vandita. Get the good gate rank. Take serious, Vandita. Get the good gate rank. See, first class two, engineering you studied. Almost like 20 years you studied, right? 20 years you studied for sitting idle. 20 years you studied for sitting idle. Please finish it off properly. Please finish it off properly. Please finish it off properly. Which of the following are back edges during above DFS traversal on G? Which of the following are back edges during DFS traversal on the above graph? So I think which of the following are back edges? Let's try this. Remember, actually you can start from anywhere, but according to this algorithm, start from A. Next one, vertices are visited on alphabetical order. Vertices are visited on alphabetical order. So I am starting. See, I am starting. Yeah, start from A. Start from A. Okay, I am starting from A. Afterwards, alphabetical order. DFS means what? You can go adjacent people, anyone you can go, but go alphabetical order. So A to C. Now I am at C now. What is the C adjacent alphabetical order? I think C to D. Next one, I am at D now. What is the D adjacent alphabetical order? B. I am at B now. What is the B adjacent people alphabetical order? E. Next one, I am at E now. E adjacent. What is the alphabetical order? E adjacent, what is the alphabetical order? E one side is A, already covered. E another side is B, already covered. I think F. So this is the tree. Right? The green color, whatever, right? I think the blue color which I used, that is the DFT. That is the DFT. So if you want, I will write the diagram properly. First A, next C, next D, next B, next E, next F. Right? So A, C, D, B, E, F. Please check if I done anything wrong. A, C, D, B, E, F. I think now see the next one. I think these are the edges. These are the edges. The edges which are presented, right? Those are known as tree edges. The edges which are there in the tree, those are known as tree edges. Everyone know. So this is called as BFT tree. This is called DFT tree. Sorry for that. This is called DFT tree. This is called DFT tree. In this tree, whatever edges are there, those are called as tree edges. Now let's think about left out edges. Let's think about left out edges. I will check. What are the left out edges? Can you help me now? AE. Can you help me now? AE. I think AE. If you see AE or EA both are same. This is the back edge. AE is one of the back edge. AE is one of the back edge. It is one of the back edge. Next one. Let me try one more. Right? AE I done. Next one. I think AD. That is also back edge. AD. This is also back edge. Next one. Can you help me now? FB. F and B. Where is the F? Here and B. FB. That is also back edge. FB also back edge. That is also back edge. FB also back edge. Can you help me? What about CF? I think only one edge left out. CF. C and F. That is also back edge. CF also back edge. Is there anyone which is not? See this one. Which of the following are back edges during DFS traversal on G? This is not. Remaining all. This is not. Remaining all. CA. Let's see. CA and AC. Right? CA and AC both are same. That is a tree edge. Answer for this one is ABC. D false. Please check. AE correct. Someone is. What about FB? What about FB? F and B. See, F and B is not covered. F and B is not covered in the tree. So that is a back edge. So FB also back edge. AE also back edge. DA also back edge. DA. DA, that is not covered, so that is also back edge. I think A, B, C are back edges. D is not back edge. A, B, C correct, so D is wrong. Check if anyone having doubt. And one more. Those people, right? If anyone don't have subscription, please utilize this. If you don't have subscription, you can use this trial period. If you don't have subscription, you can use this trial period. If you don't have subscription, you can use trial period. 7 days trial period is there, you can use it. Use referral code ReddySir and use it. Inform to your friends also, if anyone is preparing for GATE examination, they can use this trial period 7 days. Scan that QR code. They will ask the details, enter. Afterwards, right, enter this code ReddySir. Right, you can listen. You can listen all the lectures, whatever you want. Right, FB also. I think we done this. FB also. See this one. FB also, EA also, DA also. D cannot be the answer. Yeah, can you go there? What is the answer of this? What is the answer of this problem? Right, we wish to set P to NC3. If n is large, which one of the following statement is most likely to set P correctly? Suppose n and p are unsigned integer variables in C program. We wish to set P to NC3. If n is large, which one of the following statement is most likely to set P correctly? P is equal to n into n minus 1 by 3 into n minus 2 by 2. P is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 6. So his goal is, we wish to set P to NC3. Means he want to store inside P NC3. That is a goal. He want to store inside P NC3. Right? And one more important thing is, you want to store inside P NC3, that is fine. But unfortunate thing is, n is very large. You only say, right? Inside P you want to store NC3. What is the meaning of NC3? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 1 into 2 into 3. Right? So you want to store inside P NC3, which is nothing but this. But you only say, if n is very large, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, right? I think this will become very huge number. If n itself is large, this is very large. If n itself is large, this will become very large. So how to do that? But see, anyhow you are dividing by 6. Instead of dividing at the end, why don't you divide in the middle? So what I want to say is, listen, all are correct. Inside P you want to store NC3, which is nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 6. Right? All are correct. But the problem is, if n is big, this will become very big. Right? Until it will become very big, if you wait. Right? There may be an overflow inside this. So anyhow you are dividing by 6. Instead of dividing by 6 at the end, after overflow happened, instead of dividing, you could have divided between only. So comparing this option, remaining and this option, remaining options are better. So anyhow you are dividing. Instead of dividing after overflow, why don't you divide in between only? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 6. Anyhow you will divide, right? N is big means this will become very big. Very big means overflow may happen also. Instead of waiting until last minute to divide 6, you can divide in between also. You can divide in between also. I feel comparing ABCD, BC is a little better. Comparing ABCD, BC little better. But in the BC, who better? Instead of dividing at the end, means after overflow over, instead of dividing, why don't you divide in between? Why don't you divide in between? So I think BC better. In the BC, who better? In the BC, who better? Listen, in the BC, who better is, listen, if you see the B, n into n minus 1 by 2 first you will do, into n minus 2 by 3. First you will do by 2, n into n minus 1 by 2. Afterwards by 3 you will do. This is the one way he is doing. One more way what he is doing is, one more way, n into n minus 1, he will do first by 3, afterwards n minus 2 by 2 is doing. So remember everyone, that both are okay, but see the problem. See this one, two consecutive numbers if you multiply, it is an even number. If you want, you can verify. Two consecutive number, any two consecutive numbers you take, 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6, right? 2 into 3, 6. Next one, 3 into 4, 12. Two consecutive numbers you take. If you take two consecutive numbers, if you multiply, you will get the even number. Even number by 2, no problem. Even number by 2, no problem. No fractions will come. Afterwards into n minus 2 by 3. That's okay. But if you observe clear here, that even number you are dividing by 3, you will get some fraction. Because of fraction, you leave something, problem will come. Right? So even number by 3, some fraction will come. Because of it is an integer, you will remove the fraction, some problem will come. This may not give proper answer. This will give proper answer. I think it will take care about overflow story also. It will take care about correct answer also. I strongly believe B is the answer. 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 In the option B, if you observe, right, in the middle only they are dividing. B also, C also, in the middle only they are dividing. B also is dividing middle, C also is dividing middle, but in the B is dividing even number by 2, no fraction. So no problem. But in the case of the third option, if you see, even number by 3, fractions will come. When you say fraction, because of in the problem you mentioned that integer, fraction part you leave, you may not get a correct answer. So B and C, I think B is the best option. B and C, B is the best option. Right? I hope this is fine. Right? Those people, listen, those people who don't have Unacademy subscription, they can use this wonderful opportunity. You can use this wonderful opportunity. Don't miss it. You can inform to your friends also. Right? Please utilize this wonderful opportunity of 7-day trial period. Right? 7-day trial period you can use. Okay, thank you so much. See you in the next class with some more doubts. Right? Good night. Thank you.